Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Dodge 4x4 Motorhome is a recreational vehicle RV designed for adventure on all types of terrain. It combines the robustness and longevity of a Dodge with the style and comfort of an RV. Tourists who enjoy seeing different scenery without sacrificing the comforts of home are the target audience. Key attributes: 4x4 capability. Thanks to its robust 4x4 drivetrain, the vehicle can navigate a variety of terrains, including rough roads, off-road trails, and challenging weather conditions. It features a locking differential and a low-range transfer case for optimal traction. Because of its high ground clearance, the vehicle can tackle small puddles and obstructions. Interior design: a spacious, cozy living space that incorporates state-of-the-art technology. Modern conveniences including an entertainment system, a fully furnished kitchen and toilet, and a comfortable bed. The living area may be greatly increased with the push of a button, greatly increasing the amount of room inside. Parking and moving about are made easy with a camera system. Contemporary technology: an advanced infotainment system with a large touchscreen and extensive connectivity. To help drivers find their way, a GPS navigation system is installed. An integrated security system with remote monitoring is available for peace of mind. A hub for cellular connectivity and Starlink satellite internet. Mode of semi-autonomous driving. Off-grid capability: for self-sufficient power, solar panels and a lithium battery bank are optional. A massive water tank to support extended off-grid excursions. The optional off-road package includes a higher suspension, all-terrain tires, and enhanced underbody protection. Storage: several outside storage areas. Cargo space on the roof. Bicycles or other equipment can be stored in the garage. Engine performance: robust engine for consistent performance in a variety of conditions. Security: an integrated security system with remote monitoring, 360-degree camera configuration.